Looks so crusty. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brittany, and I'm back again with another video. Before I do start this video, make sure you do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below. Also, make sure your post notification bell is turned on so you are notified when I post to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys a short little small video explaining to you why I did not give you an updated video on my progress with my Jsculpt belt. If you haven't seen that video yet, go ahead and click the link in my description box and check that out. I do want to start off with apologizing for that. However, I was not being consistent with the belt, and I did not want to bring you guys a review of the belt if I did not use it consistently for the 30 days like I said I was going to do. So with that being said, I will be starting over with my Jsculpt Fitness Challenge, as well as going back on my weight loss journey.
Okay.
I know I said this in my video, however, I do need to get serious about losing this weight and getting healthier. So I am starting my journey over. By the time you guys see this video, I would have already started. However, I do want you guys to join in with me. If you have any advice on weight loss, please comment down below. Let me know of any exercises down in the comment section below on what helped you lose weight, because I don't know what to do in the gym, nor what workouts to do. Like, I know a little bit, but I don't really know. So comment down below to let me know what helped you lose your weight. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram, which I have listed here on the screen, as well as in the description box below. Send me pictures. Let me know what your progress is, what you did to lose weight. I'll take any advice given, as well as let me know in the comment section of how y'all want me to post on my page, whether you want me to post once a week, once a month, every 2 weeks, letting you guys know what my progress is and where I am. It's basically going to be just an updated video on my weight loss journey, and also like a weigh-in too. So just let me know how you guys want me to post that. I will be showing you guys what my current weight is. I will show that video here on the screen, as well as giving you guys my measurements. So around my waist is a 38, my hips is a 47, my arms, both of my arms are 15 and a half, and my thighs is a 38 as well. My goal weight is to get down to 160, 165, so that's what I'm aiming for. Alright, y'all, so that is the end of this video. It does look like my camera is dying, so I want to go ahead and close this out before that happens. So make sure you do subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure your post notification bell is turned on so you are notified when I post to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.